Welcome to Phantom Falls. We're gonna have to walk for 1.75 kilometer in 45 minutes in order to reach the Phantom Falls. Yeah, let's do it. Bonus film lang to, bonus ano lang to, bonus para ba sabihin, bonus set. Basta yun yan. Oh, there's a house up there. See? Alright. See you later. Hi guys, I'm back. I just wanna film this small bridge here. Yeah, there's a small creek down there. Yeah, just like that. So it will take an 45 minutes walk to get there. Oh, it looks Japanese thing.
Look what I found. I have some.
All right, see you there. I'm back again, guys. So while we are walking, we saw a house over there. I'm not sure what, but yes, I will take it later. It's still sour. See this one? It's pretty damn beautiful. I'm not sure what kind of trees is this one, but it seems to me a grapes. Is it a grapes?
Yeah.
No, I'm too innocent. Yeah. Looks good. Oh my god. See? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful here, right? I know it looks like a jungle, but it's so refreshing. See?
I know. They're cutting trees.
What?
They're cutting trees.
Oh, wow, so good.
Yeah, so they can know the way.
It looks like a big ranch. Yeah.
Look, do you see that?
That's a walking track.
The arrow?
You see? Have you see? Did you see the arrow?
Yes.
So what are you going to do with the arrow?
You follow them.
Oh, that's good, Amari.
If you don't know how to go, then just keep going. When you say no grass in here, you can go back. If there's grass over there,
Mm.
you can't go anywhere.
Wow. This is an old house.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I feel like I'm in the UK,
Look like this.
right? It looks like you are in the UK.
And they're hard.
What? What?
I see the eyes.
The eyes?
And they're hard.
Whose eyes? Oh, over there? Oh, don't worry about the eyes. All right, come here.
Well,
Maybe there's people inside, of course. There's someone living there.
it's very dark in there.
Yeah, it's still very dark. What's this?
And it's so very old.
See this old machine here? Old steel. That is for farming, I guess, right?
Did you see the arrow? That's when you can go again.
Yeah. So beautiful, right?
Yes, when you're hungry.
Oh my God.
If you're hungry, that's okay. You can keep walking. When you feel very hungry, you can go back.
Yeah, of course.
You know the way.
I know the way. There's some restaurants up there, right?
Yeah, I know too. You're cheating.
Cheating?
Yeah.
Why would I cheat? I'm just walking.
Yeah. Because this is a camping when you go.
All right. See you later again. Shoo. So in the middle of our walking or road tripping,
That one's look like a
we saw this.
platypus.
Yeah, it's a creek that's
Yes.
connected to the falls.
Yeah, I'm connected to the rock.
So be careful because
There's no
this place is very steep.
harang. Because there's no
Harang, yeah.
Yeah, because you have to be careful.
Be careful, slowly,
Yeah, guys,
and take it easy.
Guys, do you know harang? That means if there's
So many
a line.
stones there,
Yeah, there's a
down
line.
there. And the walk path is very narrow.
Yes.
Yeah. All right,
I'm gonna
I'll see you again. I'm back, guys.
Lagi pang churi yung ano ko, balikat ko.
Okay yan, exercise. Minsan lang yan, adventure, di ba?
Dahil buhatin mo yan.
Tomorrow. Bye bye. See you later again, guys. Kailangan ko i-vlog to. Woo! Taas. Hold on. It's very high. It's very steep. Oh my god.
No, I told you don't say, oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm here.
Third runner up.
Oh my god, so very high.
I'm the last one.
Yay! Good job!
Huh? Look at that. It doesn't look very steep on the camera, but if you are here, it's quite steep. Alright, see you again later.
No?
Oh.
Para ito yung pinakamataas.
Oh, they're enjoying. Huwag ka mag-alala. Okay, see you again later, guys. Shoo! Andito na kami, guys. Pero sa ikinalulungkot namin, ang tubig ay tuyo.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Unfortunately, it is dry. So we can go there and have a little swim. Okay. So we need to go back. There's no more falls.
There's a nearby pool.
Yeah. Okay. So there's some other tourists who are walking here. They told me to go down because it looks good. I'll try. Oh, it's there. It's just rock. It's supposed to be there. Yeah, so there's a little water down there. So there's no falls. It is false alarm. False alarm. Alright guys, sorry. I have to go back. We just go back and go to the beach. Lamig ba?
Nandun daddy, oh, may YouTube na speaker, tapos nandun yung QR code.
Oh?
Dapat gano'n ang ginagawa mo, baby.
Oh? Sabi nyo? Ano masabi nyo? Ha?
False alarm.
Ano yan?
False alarm. We did it, but unfortunately there's no water. Sabagay, 20 minutes lang.
No.
Hello. Maybe.
Ano sabi doon?
Maybe we can try this one.
Ah.
Kasi ano, para makita natin sa YouTube yan, makikita dyan. Dito, kanyon, walk.
Sino yung kinausap mo doon kanina, tol?
Yung pumunta siya dyan,
Ano sabi niya?
sa kanyon. Sabi niya maganda daw doon. Oh, nakakain love.
Puro tayo nakalabaw dyan.